Good morning everyone. How are you all? Fine? Very good. Even I am fine, thank you. So you all are prepared to start with our today's classes? But before starting that, yes, tell me, how was your 15th August? You celebrated it? So you have done various activities and I know some of you have flight kites also. Good. So now it's time to start our classes, and on Monday, which day is today? I told you today is Monday. And can anyone tell me what is the date today? Yes, today is 17th August 2020 and the day is Monday. And this is our English period, and in English we are doing I's family words. You are doing which family words we have done? In previous class, we have done one family word related to I family, I sound. So, which family we have done? We have done ib sound word. You remember that? So, we have done ib sound word. So, can you tell me which all words we did in ib sound word? B, ib, bib. Yes, we did. B, ib, bib. Then we did. Come on, tell me fast. R, ibs, ribs. Then we did cr, ib, crib. One more word is left. Come on, tell me. We have done bib, crib, ribs. Then we did jib. You remember? J, ib, jib. Then we also did f, ib, fib. So like this we have done ib sound. Which sound we have completed? We are completed with ib sound. So you all remember this sound? Very good. So today I am going to discuss 3 sounds with you. Clear? So let's start discussing these 3 sounds. First I will write the name of the sound and you have to read it. So now if this is ib. Now what is this? Which sound is this? Can anyone tell me? Id, id. Id, id. Id sound. Say it phonetically. What is the sound of I? E. And what is the sound of D? D. Id. Id, id. Id sound. Okay. So let's begin. Let me give you few examples and you have to tell the name and then we'll write those names here. So whenever mama cooks the food, जब mama खाना बनाती है, so she takes a pot or a pan. मम्मा एक pot या pan कुछ लेती है when she is cooking some rice or something in the pan, when she is boiling the milk, है ना? तो what she does, she covers it. उसके ऊपर कुछ cover कर देते हैं. So what we call that cover? What we call it? Lid. L-id. Lid. You remember? जब मम्मा खाना बनाती हैं, मम्मा कढ़ाई में और पॉट में या पैन में कुछ खाना बनाती हैं, so what she does, she first mix all the ingredients, वो सारे ingredients को mix करती हैं and she let it cook. फिर हम उसे बनने देते हैं. But when we leave it on gas to cook, हम उसे cover कर देते हैं. We cover it with some lid. उसको ढक्कन लगते हैं. So that ढक्कन is called lid. L-id, lid. So how we are going to write that? L-id, lid. And it is something like this. ऐसा होता है ना, ऊपर एक नॉब होती है जिससे हम पकड़ते हैं उसको. So this is called L-id, lid. Understood that? Okay. Now moving to another one. So when we have a small baby at home, what we call that baby? छोटे बच्चों को हम क्या बोलते हैं? हम पार्क में जाते हैं, 4-5 years के बच्चे भी होते हैं, वो खेल रहे होते हैं. What we call them? Kid. K-id, kid. बच्चों को क्या कहते हैं? Kid. So how we are going to write? Just blend the sound id sound with k sound. K-id, kid. So when we are saying k, which alphabet should I write here, class? कौन सा alphabet लिखेंगे मैम? K. Yes. So let us see how to do this. K, id, kid. So k, id, kid. First we have taken the sound of k and it's mixed with id. So k, id, kid. Kid means baby. Yes, a small baby. Okay. You all love to play Chupan Chupai. You love that? What we call it? Hide and seek. So what is the meaning of hide? छुपना. So that is hid. आप किसी चीज से छुप रहे हो. Sometimes mama is calling you. Where are you? कहाँ हो? Where have you hidden? कहाँ छुप गए हो आप? Isn't it? So छुपने को हम क्या बोलेंगे? Hid. 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 Understood? So one more word we got, that is hid. Hid. And what is the meaning of hid? Chupna. Understood? So we have done it lid, it kid, it hid. So anything else which you can tell me? Rid. Id. Rid. So fine, I give you an example. If you are playing outside and if a dog barks at you and started running, आपके पीछे पीछे भाग रहा है, आप भी तेज तेज भाग रहे हो, what happens? आप डर जाते हो ना? But suddenly क्या होता है? आपका घर आ जाता है और आप उसमें छुप जाते हो. You hide there. That means you hid. And what happened? You get rid of the dog. यानी उससे बच जाते हो. तो किसी चीज से बचना, अपने आप को किसी चीज से बचाना is to get rid of. Rid, R-I-D, rid, id, rid. So that is to save yourself या किसी चीज से बचाना अपने आप को. So what is that? Id, rid. To get rid of. To get rid of मतलब किसी चीज से बच जाना. तो जैसे if you are running in the fear, आप डर से भाग रहे हो ना तेज तेज, suddenly what happens? आपका घर आ जाता है या कोई अंकल मिल जाते हैं या आपको कोई आंटी मिल जाती हैं और आप उनके पीछे छुप जाते हो. And what happens? The dog went away, the dog goes away, वो चला जाता है. So that is rid. आपने अपने आप को बचा लिया. Clear everyone? So let us revise this word. Which sound we have done? Id sound. Id. Id. Lid. Say with me. Id. Lid. Id. Kid. Id. Hid. Id. Rid. Understood, class? Okay. Now moving to the next sound, that is I sound. I. So when we are mixing the sound of these two letters, we are getting I. I. Clear? What sound will come? I. So the very first example which I want to give you, when Papa goes to office, he wears something here in the neck. शर्ट पहनने के बाद पापा नेक पे कुछ पहनते हैं. So what we call that? Tie. Tie. Isn't it? So let's make the word tie. And how we can draw this tie? Something like this. Isn't it? And it has some sort of designs like this on it. So what we call it? Tie. Clear? Now, next word is lie. What is that? Lie. Let me write this word first. Lie. And it's a very bad habit. पता है आपको ये बहुत bad होती है habit. So what is lie? Lie means झूठ बोलना. When you are telling a lie, जब आप झूठ बोल रहे हो. So झूठ बोलना is a bad habit ना. So don't lie. मैम बोलती है ना, don't tell a lie. You should always say truth, है ना? So lie is झूठ बोलना, and it's an I sound word. Lie. Clear everyone? Now the next word is pie. So what is a pie, class? Can you tell me what is a pie? It is a type of a dish, a sweet dish or a pudding you can call, and it can be we can make it with the help of different fruits like apple pie, mango pie. So it is a sort of pudding, you can say, मीठा होता है एक तरह का, and we cook it and we bake it. हम इसको बेक करके बनाते हैं, जैसे केक्स बेक होते हैं. Similarly, we bake these pies. Clear? So again we have done I sound word, that is t, I, tie, l, I, lie, p, I, pie. Clear? Okay. Now one more sound which we are going to do is im. Im. Which sound we are going to do? Im. Im. Im sound word. So can you tell me one im sound word? One im sound word. Fine. जब इवनिंग टाइम होता है और जो स्काई में देखो, जब डे होता है वी हैव अ ब्राइट डे, बट व्हेन इट कम्स टू द इवनिंग, सो वो जो ब्राइटनेस होती है वो थोड़ी सी कम हो जाती है. सो व्हाट वी कॉल इट? डिम. सिमिलरली विद इलेक्ट्रिसिटी ऑल्सो. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इफ यू हैव स्विच ऑन द लाइट और जो हमारी इलेक्ट्रिसिटी है उसकी पावर कम हो जाती है, सो व्हाट हैपन्स, वो लाइट डिम हो जाती है. डिम मीन्स कुछ कम होना. जो लाइट होती है व्हेन इट जो उसकी पावर है वो स्लो हो जाती है, ब्राइटनेस कम हो जाती है, वी कॉल इट डिम. ड इम डिम. क्लियर? सो व्हाट वी कॉल दैट? ड इम डिम. वी कॉल इट डिम. ड इम dim. Clear? Now, have you ever seen your tires? साइकिल के टायर्स को देखे हैं आपने? टायर्स उसके ऊपर वो ब्लैक कलर का होता है, बट अगर उसको रिमूव कर देते हैं सो यू गेट समथिंग लाइक दिस. एक ऐसा स्ट्रक्चर होता है वो, और ये उसमें आपके स्पोक्स लगे हुए होते हैं. मेटल का ये स्ट्रक्चर होता है, इसके ऊपर टायर लगा हुआ होता है ना, बट अंदर ये स्ट्रक्चर होता है. व्हाट वी कॉल इट? वी कॉल इट रिम. र इम रिम. सो व्हाट वी कॉल दैट? र इम रिम. अंडरस्टूड क्लास? सो व्हाट वी कॉल दिस? र इम रिम. क्लियर? नाउ वन मोर वर्ड, trim. From rim only there is a new word, that is trim. Trim. Clear? So what is this? Trim. Now what is the meaning of this trim? Can anyone tell me? Fine. If you go out to purchase new clothes, आप स्कूल यूनिफॉर्म लेने गए हो या आप मार्केट में कोई क्लोथ्स लेने गए हो एंड यू हैव परचेज्ड इट, आपको बहुत अच्छा लगा बट इट इज नॉट ऑफ योर साइज, वो थोड़ा सा बिग है आपके लिए. सो व्हाट वी डू, वी ट्रिम इट. हम उसको थोड़ा सा कट कर देते हैं, है ना, सो दैट इट कैन फिट टू अस. वो हमारे साइज से बिग है बट वी वांट टू वेयर इट बिकॉज आई लाइक इट अ लॉट. सो व्हाट वी डू, आई गेट इट ट्रिम. हम क्या करेंगे? आई गेट इट ट्रिम. ट्रिम मीन्स अपने साइज के अकॉर्डिंग बनाना. जो एक्स्ट्रा है आई गेट इट कट एंड आई मेक इट ऑफ माई साइज. Clear all? What is the meaning of trim? Now the next is slur in slim. Slur in slim. So what is the meaning of slim? Slim means पतला, जो बहुत beautiful लगता है. पतली पतली चीजें beautiful लगती हैं. So like an example of mobile phones. Earlier जब पहले मम्मा पापा के पास phones थे वो छोटे थे, मोटे थे, है ना, they were small in size, but now we are having smartphones, so they are very slim, बहुत पतले होते हैं. So slim means something which is very thin and attractive, और वो बहुत सुंदर भी होता है. So that is called slim. Clear class? So now let's begin with what we have done now. We have done different I sound words. Ip sound we have done in our previous class. So now we have done id sound. L, id, lid. Say with me. L, id, lid. K, id, kid. H, id, hid. R, id, rid. Clear? Now we are going to do I sound. How we are going to pronounce it? I sound word. That is t, I, tie. Say with me. T, I, tie. Then we have, say for example, अब आप देखिए रेनी डेज आर गोइंग ऑन, जब स्काई में क्लाउड्स आ जाते हैं और सन छिप जाता है तो भी डे में लाइट कम हो जाती है, दैट इज डिम. किसी चीज की रोशनी कम होना इज कॉल्ड डिम. क्लियर? देन वी हैव र इम रिम, र इम रिम, tr im trim. From rim we have add t, tr, t, r, tr, im trim. Trim means to cut off. Extra जो होता है, जो थोड़ा dirty part होता है या extra होता है, we just cut it off. Then we have slim im slim, slim im slim, and slim means thin and beautiful. Clear? Okay, so today we are going to do our work on book page number 32. So all of you open your phonic book, page number 32. So when you open this page number 32 in your phonic book, you will find it, I and im sound words. Clear? So complete this work as your classwork. Understood? And what is your homework? We are going to write these words in our notebook. How you are going to do this work? I am telling you. First, complete your classwork and then do the homework. Okay, class? So, class, now I am going to tell you how you have to write the I sound word in your notebook. Clear? So, the first thing you are going to do is write today's date. That is 17th August 2020. Clear? After that, this is your homework. So write homework here, and then the heading will come, that is I sound words. Clear all? So the first sound in this today we did is id sound. So as I did on the board, you are going to do it like this, id sound, and then we are going to write the words here. So can you tell me the words? K, id, kid, l, id, lid, h, id, hid, r, id, rid. Clear? So what you can do is you can underline this like this. Id sound. Id, k, id, kid, l, id, lid, h, id, hid, r, id, rid. Done. After that we did I sound. So we are going to write it like this, I sound, and then we are going to write l, I, lie. What is the meaning of lie? झूठ बोलना. Yes. P, I, pie. I told you it's a type of a pudding. Then T, I, tie. It's pie is a type of dessert. Sorry. And T, I, tie. So what is a tie? The one which we wear around our neck. So this is I sound word. After that we did im sound. Im. So the first word is d, im, dim. So what was the meaning of dim? I told you. Dim means जब लाइट थोड़ी स्लो हो जाती है, रोशनी कम हो जाती है, we call it dim. Then we did r, im, rim. R, im, rim. Tr, im, trim. And then slur, im, slim. Clear all? How you have to do your work in notebook today? So we are going to do 3 sounds like this and write the words like this. Okay? So class, you have understood how you have to complete your classwork and homework both. Complete your book work on page number 32 as classwork, and the work which I have shown you in notebook, complete that, share both the photographs with me and then get ready for the next class. Okay, bye all, take care.